Hi guys, this is Peter and today I'm gonna show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account on desktop or laptop devices. If you need to do this on mobile, check out the links in the description below for the Android or iOS tutorials. So let's begin. First, you need to click on the settings wheel right here and then go on settings and privacy. Right here you're gonna see the account center, click on it. Then you can go on personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, select the Instagram account that you want to delete, choose your option, deactivate or delete, click continue. You'll have to re-enter your password right here. Now you can select the reason for deleting it. I'm gonna go with something else and continue. You have some options here before you delete. You can check them out. Click again on continue. Now you have to confirm it with this button. Just click on it and you'll permanently delete your Instagram account. It's loading and that was it. You can see that it was scheduled for deletion and I was also logged out of my account. That's all. Thank you for watching.